Hello guys, so we're here at Color House. Say hi to my friend.
Hi. With my wifey.
Wow, wifey. So hello guys, this is our day 1 fit. It's giving dry.
Fall days, brown eyes, roots in my apartment. And we grew, passed by, plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing dive. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray, fell asleep in my sweatshirt.
Kami, pauwi na po kami. Bye-bye, Igorot Stone. We're here at Gangjianhe. Puro na puro, oh. Ayaw mag-ano. Ayan na. Ano pag ang...
You always let me know. You always let me go.
Thank you, my love.
You always let me
Our chef feed for today.
meet me on the street lights. Meet me where the lights fade out.
Hello, guys. Ang tawag mo sa fans mo?
Sa kabila.
Wala. Memories lang siya, memories.
Tell me it's the only thing you know. Driving down the highway, moving slow. Tell me it's the only thing you know. Tell me it's the only thing you know. It's cold out here, just like my heart and soul. Must be something I can do. I'm driving around reckless, breaking rules. I don't care who.
With my driver. Basta driver. Sweet flower. Look at the view.
Kamote? kamoting driver. Ang nakakatang seatbelt dito marami ah. Manohan daw, lino.
Say it's cold up here, just like my heart is cold. Baby, you
Parang mag-hiking.
cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind, driving windows